In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on ChatGPT using an image with an updated and easy guide for 2025. This unique feature allows you to transform the way you interact with artificial intelligence by using visual content as a starting point. Whether you're aiming to get insights from what's depicted in an image, or you wish to explore related topics via text prompts, this tutorial will take you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Simply type ChatGPT into the search bar to find the gateway to this powerful AI tool. Once you've typed in ChatGPT, press Enter, and you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Make sure to click on the official ChatGPT website link, which should be one of the top results. This will direct you to ChatGPT's main interface. After landing on the ChatGPT homepage, you'll notice a user-friendly setup. Look for a plus sign button. This is your key to uploading images, a crucial step in our guide today. Click on this plus sign, and a dialog box will open, allowing you to select a photo from your device. Choose wisely, as the image will be central to the search you'll conduct using ChatGPT. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to enhance it with a text prompt. This is where you tell ChatGPT what kind of information you're seeking from the visual content you've provided. The prompt could be a specific question about the image or a request for related information. Type your prompt clearly in the provided field. The more context you give, the better the AI can tailor the information you need. After crafting your prompt, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This action sends your image, along with the prompt, into the virtual cosmos where ChatGPT's algorithms analyze and interpret the content. It might take a moment, but sit tight as ChatGPT works its magic to understand the essence of what you've uploaded and what you're asking. Once the submission is processed, you'll receive a comprehensive response from ChatGPT. This response will include insights, interpretations, or information relevant to both your image and your prompt. It is here that your digital journey of exploration and knowledge truly begins. The information you receive might just surprise you with its depth and relevance. And that's it. Your research is complete. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a whole new way to engage with AI, blending visual and textual interactions seamlessly. With time and practice, you'll discover that this approach can open doors to countless possibilities, making your research and inquiry process smarter and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring with ChatGPT.